This award is honorary award is given to you, and you have become the ambassador of this GHPU. And your most important duty is to bring more and more people, dedicated people, serving people to receive, to become the recipient of this award. That is my request. It is our moral duty to help and extend our hands to Honorable Chairman by doing that. And also today Sampath sir is not here. His one word, one sentence I repeat, because please don't misuse this designation which is given to you. Very much we should respect this honorary doctorate, and I wish all success for your future life and to become a very good citizen and good neighbor and good man in this world. Once again, I thank and welcome your anchor also for a wonderful performance every time. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dr. Sukumara sir, as well as an exceptional address. So as well as now we are going to welcome and one more delegate who dedicated his life for serving people not only in one location across the globe also. And who extends his heart to compassion. So he has been an executive member, he has been assigned as an executive member of Semi-Central Residence Network for his 12 years, more than 12 years of serving the society, and he is appointed by the People's Association and trademark, which is recognized by the government of Singapore. We all know the standard set by the government of Singapore, and he has been given this exceptional position and he has been recognized, and today he flew all the way from Singapore to be here with us and be a part of this wonderful ceremony. Thank you so much for that, sir. Now it is the time to hear from them. Please put your hands together and welcome the social activist, Mr. Rajesh Sundararaman, to address the gathering. Most welcome, sir.
Respected Dr. Manuel Ponduswamy, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, good morning everyone. I feel truly blessed to stand before you as a guest of honor at this doctorate award ceremony organized by Global Human Peace Initiative. My heartfelt thanks to Dr. Rajmohan and Dr. Gopalakrishnan for recognizing my work and referring me to this esteemed institution. I sincerely thank Chairman Dr. Manuel Ponduswamy for his vision and leadership. His efforts have created a platform that honors individuals with this award for their contributions to the society and humanity. Today is not a celebration of academic success. It's a celebration of commitment, responsibility, and sacrifice. Each doctorate awarded here is more than a title. It's a call to serve society, wisdom, compassion, and shared responsibility. Let me share a simple story that allows the power of shared responsibility. In a small village, the streets were dark at night. Young school teacher worried about the safety of the children, elders walking after sunset. He did not have the money to fix all the lights in the village. So he took one small step. He placed a kerosene lamp outside his house every evening. People knocked and said, "What difference can you make?" They mentioned one lamp in the whole village. But children walking home began to use the light. Even returning late felt safer passing the stretch. Slowly, one neighbor placed another lamp, then another, and within a month, the whole street was lit, all because of one person with what he had. This is the spirit of service we need today. Take for example, this story reminds me the Singapore's journey with cleanliness. In the 1960s, the Keep Singapore Clean campaign began. It started with individuals taking responsibility for the surroundings, one person picking up litter, one family keeping the corridor clean, one school teaching children to care for the environment. In the same way, Global Human Peace Initiative teaches us that peace and service begin with individual actions, but their true power lies in inspiring communities. Just as Singapore transformed its environment through shared responsibilities, we too can transform the society with compassion, wisdom, and service. I personally took initiative to volunteer the community service in Singapore. This grew into group volunteering to a network, and we founded a commitment by signing a memorandum, People's Association Integration Council in Singapore. We pledged for 1,000 hours of volunteering to support the community projects. This shows one step can grow into a sustainable movement when more people come together. Success is not measured by personal gain, but by impact it creates in the lives of others. As you step forward with your doctorate, remember that it carries a responsibility to uplift those around you. Let us pledge to continue this journey of shared responsibility. Let us inspire, let us serve, and let us build a world where peace and progress are not just ideas but realities. Congratulations to all the graduates. May your journey be filled with wisdom, compassion, and service. Thank you everyone.
Thank you for sharing this wonderful story.